You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
I'm broken. I am so broken. He's insisting on following the wishes of his people. I'm so sorry. But on the other hand, have you discussed this issue with your mom? My mom? Yes. I think she does not even know I'm in Nigeria. What? Please, just... Auntie, please, I don't want anyone to know about this. Let it just be between you and I, please. Keep it to yourself. Let it be a little secret.
It's okay, anything. Just count on me, it's okay.
Auntie, I love him. I love him very much. I want to spend the rest of my life with him. How can I do that? How will that ever be possible when I'm going to be in the States and it's in Nigeria? How is that ever going to be possible?
Calm down. Just calm down and follow your heart.
Yes. My heart? Auntie, my heart is raging. Wait, are you telling me to follow him?
Yes. If you feel that is where your heart belongs, follow him. You see, it's important to marry someone you love. I never married out of love. And for that, I'm regretting a lot of things today. I followed a man with money. But as I'm talking to you now, the same man I rejected yesterday is the governor of the state. Yes. Just 3 persons knows about it. Your dad and my dear. In fact, follow your heart. Please.
I want to. It's exactly what I want to do, but I have so many obstacles on my way.
Dance? Listen, Naija. When a young woman is in love, she could do anything, go to extra miles to protect and preserve that love. She might lose at the end, but I think it's important to justify the spirit of love.
Auntie, how? Where do I even start from? I don't have an idea of how this dance is done. The only dance steps I know, just the Western dance steps we do in the States.
I will get you a professional choreographer. You know, I participated in this dance show in my maiden days. I still have my dance steps.
But sweetie, you know, I mean, there is no way I would just abandon you like that.
Oh, baby, you scared me. You scared me so much.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. So what about your parents?
Oh, well, I managed to make my mom believe that my stay here was going to be temporary.
Okay. Temporal?
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Well, that will depend on the decision of your people.
Oh God, Sam, you never cease to amaze me.
God, what's funny? Okay, hold on. Okay, now you now doubt my ability to dance. So you think I can't dance, right?
No.
You haven't even heard the end of my story.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. So where have you been?
Oh well, I was staying with Auntie Esther.
Okay.
And then most of the times I'll go out rehearse with my group. like that.
Oh yeah.
Sweetie, what's wrong?
You see, when you left me, I was sad. I was so scared that you were never going to come back. And now you're back and I don't know, I'm just worried, you know, like the what ifs, they're just too much.
Never mind, let me guess. Like, what if she doesn't win? What if Zami wins?
Baby, come here. I want you to win. I want you to win. That's all I want, baby.
You know, I'm back here because I really do love you.
I love you too, baby.
I want to prove to you. I want to prove to the entire world. I want to prove to the spirit of love.
Whoa, wait, baby. What's the spirit of love thing? What? You now sounding like the elders, man. Did you go see them?
Okay. You see, I've come back here to do this because I really do love you. And I know that every single marriageable young lady in this land would want to participate in that competition. All the beautiful women will all come out. And most of them will come out for the very wrong reasons, which you may not even know. Baby, I'm sure you know why I'm here. You know my reasons for doing this. And I just don't want to lose you.
Baby, I don't want to lose you too. Of course I know why you're here. You left everything to come back here for me. I know. Baby, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Like, I don't want you to lose. Please do everything you can to win for me. Okay? Please.
I'll try. I'll do everything I can. I've weighed my options. It doesn't look like I have so much of a high percentage, but I'll do all I can. I want you to know one thing, Ugo. Even if I do not win, I love you.
When I
And I
say
will still love
I love you, then I mean it from the depth of my heart. Yes, it's true. I love you, and I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life.
You're welcome, my friend.
Thank you,
Eh? You're welcome.
I met your son as I was just coming. He was driving out with a young girl.
Young girl. Young girl. Oh, my dad should be Zamekbere.
Okay.
Is my son's friend. She came in yesterday.
Oh, is she the daughter of Ambassador Soludo?
Yes. Don't you know her?
You know these young girls.
Jilly. Hey! These Nigerian works are so beautiful. Our country is really trying.
I'm happy you like them. I know your color and you know I have good taste too.
But Ijele, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ijele, I asked you to buy 4 for me. You made a mistake. Oh, this is 6 here.
No, Lolo. It's not a mistake. The excess are gifts from me to you. From my heart.
Ijele, now you shouldn't have done this now.
Are we no longer friends? Don't you give me gifts?
Thank you. Ijele, you're my best friend.
You are too. I've always appreciated you so much, and that is why I have always prayed for our friendship to get to the next level. Lolo.
Ijele.
No, now. You know, just relax, my dear. Relax. What am I even saying? Just be serious with this your dance. Leave the rest to me.
But I hear that the girl lives with him in the palace.
Huh?
Yes.
Where did you hear that one from? I have made my investigations. She stays in her father's family house.
That means she won't be able to see you every day.
I don't care if she sees him every second. It doesn't matter to me. What I know is that you are going to be the queen. And I will be the queen's mother.
The queen mother. Oh, I trust you, Mom. I trust you.
You don't need to bother yourself, my dear. The end will justify the means. Okay? And the end of it all is very, very good.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Take your time. Anyway, my name is Zam.
Nice meeting you.
Same here. I just want to find out one quick thing. Do we have like a stipulated time for rehearsals here?
Oh yeah. At what time precisely?
30 minutes. 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, the group over there. Please, who is the leader? Do you know?
The one on the white top and
the black girl and the black shirt. Just
come on, girl. It's okay. I'll talk to her.
I can handle it. Thank you. Excuse me. Hi. Anyway, whatever. I actually came to find out from you when you intend to vacate the space so that other people, like my friends and I, could rehearse.
Yes.
What kind of stupid question is that? Vacate this place for what? We got here before you. That means when you are tired of dancing, you and your group can come here and dance.
Yes, shut up! Hold it there!
Excuse me? You've got such a terrible... What is it with the attitude? Just calm it down, okay? What is biting you? Anyway, I just came to ask you when you intend to vacate this place so others, like my girls and I, could come in here and rehearse.
Latest news. We are not through with dancing, meaning you have to wait a very long while.
Yes.
When we are through, then we will leave us.
Keep quiet! I am still talking to you, young lady. As a matter of fact, I don't want to know. You can stay here as long as you like, but just cut down on the attitude. It stinks. Hey, girls, let's get out.
I won't allow that. I said you can't beat her. Wait, no beat. What? No. I don't beat. It's fine now. I don't. Where are you going? Come back here. Macho. Macho. It is easy to beat. What? I'll only cut with knife. I don't beat.
Both of you, get out of my sight. I said get out!
Of your side or our side? So compliment. No worries.
Girls, I called all of you here. I'm sure you all saw what happened back there.
Yes, we did.
Fine, we are all in a competition. It's obvious you're competing for one thing. Okay, but I don't think there is any point for us to become enemies. Do you understand?
Yes.
We don't have to be enemies. We don't have to bitch at each other. I mean, we should concentrate more on what we came here to do, which is a dance. This is a dance of love. Let's give it all the passion that we have. You know, just enjoy it. When you free your spirit, you free your mind. That way you can now really put yourself in the character that you want to be. Let's express more love than hate. We don't want to come out and look like a bunch of children, right?
Yeah.
Now, since we all are in this group, it doesn't matter who wins. I will be happy for anyone who finally wins. If I win, my luck. Okay? So I'm sure we are friends now, right?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can I get a hug?
Yeah.
Thanks for the encouragement.
It's alright. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Okay, anybody going my way? Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Are you serious? You mean all this happened when I was gone? Hey! I missed. You missed, not be small. That episode there, as it happened, I can't forget it in a hurry. Hey! Hey, Jay! See John there, babe. Yankee to the core. Where's my showing movement? Hey, yes. Hey! Let's go on food. About today. Problem. Deal with it. Hey! I know this name. I know this. We had fun. I missed. Are you serious? Hey! That is good. Let them deal with that girl. Who is she and what does she think she is? What does she have that we do not have? Those are two bodyguards. What are they? They talk now. Wait. Let me catch my breath. I'm even laughing too. Those fools! They were nowhere in sight. I'm actually just stood there, speechless. What's on there to my own? For a moment, I felt pity for that girl. Which pity? I beg. Pity for what? All those have puff. Yeah. Good. That be smart. Good.
Hey, but wait though. On a serious note, Chineme, this Oyibo Pikin, you think she stands a chance at winning?
If I think, I don't think. I know for sure that she will not even come 1/10.
Babe, now you think say we dey do Shakira for you?
This na proper Eguku. Show your own.
You bet your mama take it.
No, come like this. Hey! I miss so. You don't come. I won't paint my nail. Go yourself. Hey!
Both of you are very crazy. You're both very crazy. Where did you go to? Where were you when that stupid good for nothing idiot was?
Hey, wait! It have do. How can you just be shaking your head and shaking accusing finger and be, accusing us? Why do you harass us anyhow? Is it because see condition? See, is it because they hired us and attached to you?
Are you crazy?
Crazy what?
Is it me you're talking to like that?
I don't.
My work is to follow you about, to follow you everywhere, follow you even when you want to go and we have to.
I don't care if you're hungry, you want to eat. Where were you supposed to be?
What should I know?
So you're not singing and dancing? You're singing now. What is the matter? I was hearing your voice from my room. It's nothing but these two good for nothing fools. They're the ones who are always giving me problems. What have they done again? Can you imagine? Zam insulted me today and these idiots were nowhere to be found.
Yes, we couldn't find Zam. Zam insulted, we insulted back. I did kung fu.
Shut up, you fools. What did you do to her? Mom, she insulted me back and I gave it back to her. I gave it back to her, but these two fools were nowhere to be found. Shut up, you. Stop talking nonsense. What is all this about moving with aura of authority and self-confidence? What are you talking about? Huh? Who is she? Have you forgotten the daughter of who you are? Me, Ijelewani. Eh? Have you forgotten who your father is? Your father was a lecturer. So what is it all about her? Eh? Who does she think, Ambassador? Let me tell you, she will not win. In fact, she will not, and she will never win. She will not win. Does she know how to dance? Does she think it's this Makosa dance? Or Michael Jackson step? Nonsense. Forget about that. I don't want to talk about self-confidence and all right here. Does she have big more like no. All of authority is my foot. Let go. You two, come on, get out. Get away.
Yeah.
Fools.
All of authority. My foot. I'll just fight. Just come out. Come on. You see? Mouth.
When she was away, we were troubled. Now that she has come back, we are still troubled. Why?
You know, when she left, I was sad and heartbroken because I thought she would never return. Then at a point, I started getting used to it, especially because I couldn't get her on the phone. You know, I tried a couple of times and I just couldn't. And now she's back. I'm happy, but at the same time I'm scared. I am so scared. You know, this whole dance thing, I just don't know.
My prince. You're not my prince. I tell you something. She came back because she loves you. That means your love for each other is real. I want you to brace your heart like a man that you are and get prepared.
Prepared? How?
I mean, you need to prepare yourself for this dance competition. Whether or not she wins, whatever happens, you must be a man and get things right.
Which is?
Marry the winner, of course.
Christ. Marry the winner. It's so easy for you guys to say. Oh, Lord, help me. Help me, God, help me. I'm so confused. That's it.
Is that why you're so worried?
Daddy, I'm just trying to figure out the kind of dance steps you present.
Whatever happens, it shouldn't bother you. What you should be concerned about is the fact that you are going to become the next queen of this land.
Daddy.
Whatever thing she likes, let her dance. And you have more advantages over her. You see, you know the steps? Your father is one of the Igwe's counsel. And you know how to dance very well.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Moreover, it is Omobu community that will choose who they want. And the Negu, Madam Agnes Ilabuchi, is a fearless and incorruptible woman. Just relax and learn whatever thing there is to be learned.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Hi, girls. Hello, good evening. Hi, good evening, girls. I'm sorry. I think you guys have exhausted your time. We need to rehearse, if you don't mind. Thank you very much.
Let's go, please.
Why do they all seem to have very bad attitude?
It's just in them. That's how they are. Let them be, please.
Anyway, you know what I'm thinking, girls? That's not important. Let's ignore them.
Okay.
Okay. We have very limited time. I think we should start doing just a few stretches.
Yeah.
Let's go. One. Come on.
Isioma, I don't know how else you want me to rephrase my words before you know I'm serious. I don't like what you're doing to me. I mean us.
Okay, us. You know I don't like it when you use the word us.
Afraid. Always afraid. Who are you afraid of? Spying eyes? Or the ghost of your ex-fiancé? Isioma, I know you love me. And I love you too. So what's stopping us?
Amara.
Stop. Enough of that name. You and I know that Amara is now history. After all she did to me. You're a witness to that, you know.
But what would people say?
Oh, it's now people and not us.
See, everybody knows that my friend went on a leave of absence, okay? They'll think she's traveled and I switched over to the fiance. Please understand from my point of view.
Your point of view? You're not utterly wrong. But let me ask you this simple question. Who are you living your life for? Yourself or for people? The only being you should be concerned of pleasing on the face of this earth is the big God, God, and not people. It's your man. Just give me the chance.
Amen. I am impressed.
Thank you, Daddy. Ah, Daddy, you're welcome. Ah, God, Daddy, I just realized I have to sit up. You know, Zam's kind of dance step is quite different from ours.
What do you mean?
Oh, Daddy, I don't know how to explain it. But I just know that it's not our people's kind of dance step.
You see what I've been telling you? That is the beginning of our failure. I keep on telling you one thing. Just continue practicing the dance of our people. Don't add, don't remove. What did I say?
Don't add, don't remove.
And they stick to the instructions of Negu, and every other thing will work. Huh?
Okay, Daddy, thank you so much.
Come and give me water to drink.
Okay.
So, how's the rehearsals going? Not very well. Just... It's okay. Okay. So, are you encountering difficulties? Auntie, you can ask that again. Do you know actually the girls that come for this rehearsals, you know, some of them have very bad attitude.
Towards you?
Of course. There's this particular one, whenever she sees me, she just puts in so much effort to piss me off. And trust me, she always does. I don't know why. What's it with all the attitude and everything?
The most important thing is achieving what you set out to achieve.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to do.
Have you seen Nego?
Not yet.
Why? You think it's not important?
I was supposed to see her. She told me to see her, but I haven't met a chance. I didn't tell you. Oh, I'll see her one of these days.
Yeah, please do. You need that orientation.
Hey, I hear you.
It's okay.
But I'm really glad I'm doing this, you know, it's fun.
I pray you will come up well.
Thank you.
Oh, so I better get you something.
Oh, Mom, I'm not hungry, don't worry.
My dear, I want to thank you especially for making out time to come here today.
Ma'am, I'm the one to say that. I mean, I feel very privileged that you make this opportunity for me to sit with you, like talk to you one-on-one. I'm glad. Thank you.
I wouldn't want to waste time introducing myself to you. I believe you know what I represent.
Of course I do. I know that you are the dance instructor. I also know the fact that you're a retired music and arts teacher.
That's impressive. I asked you here because I know you mixed the introductory part of the dance, where and when I explained the importance of the dance to all the maidens participating. In the early days of this community, the then reigning king loved music and dance. But his wife, chosen by his mother, hated music. The king was never happy. In a bid to find happiness, the king took a second wife who also did not like music and dance. Then the goddess of the dance and music bestowed on him a beautiful damsel. The king became happy and made a law which stated that before a maiden is chosen as a queen, she must emerge the winner in a dance competition.
Okay, now I get the picture. Everything has fallen into place.
I advise you, in your dance, make sure that your styles are full of energy.
It's going very well, Mom. Thank you.
My concern as a mother is to make sure my son gets the best. And you are one of the favorites. See, I've personally met with some of the girls that are already qualified and their names are already in the top list for this dance. It's not all about sentiment, my dear. As I always tell people, anyone can win this competition. I've personally observed your dance style. And I think in this community, there's a conventional way of dancing in this community. I will advise that you follow it, my dear.
But ma'am, all I'm just doing is try to revolutionalize the dance steps. I've not taken away the major steps. I just want to spice it up a little bit and not the conventional way that every other person is doing it.
I hope it will be accepted by the
No, ma'am, I really appreciate your concern, but like you rightly said, I think we should allow the people to, you know, to judge my dance steps. You know?
It's okay, my dear. I hope the Ini Edo has told you everything that you need to know about the dance.
Yes, ma'am, she has.
In that case, I wish you luck.
Thank you very much. I truly do appreciate it. I have to be on my way now. Thank you.
It's okay, my dear.
You see, people are talking.
Talking?
Yes. People are talking about your dance style. They say it's crazy.
Oh, but Chico, come on, come over it. I thought I explained this whole thing to you before. I told you what I intended to do at the dance. Listen, let me break it down one more time. I am not just here to win this competition. I also intend to modify the dance steps.
Baby, oh my God, can you listen to yourself? Modify what? I mean, this dance it's been there for like ages, alright? Baby, please. I thought you'd be thinking of ways to propitiate the people and not give them reasons to disqualify you.
And I thought you were supposed to be by me.
Of course I'm by you.
No, you are not. Obviously, I am in this all alone.
Sweetie, I'm also...
Just let me be. Let me land. I intend to do this dance my way. If you are going to win it, fine. I mean, is this all you called me here to tell me? To condemn me? Then I'm out of here.
Wait. Baby.
Okay, just...
Baby, wait, please. Just listen to me. Sweetie, look. Listen to me. I want you to win. Okay? I really need you to win, but you just have to listen to me and do this the conventional way.
I will not do it the conventional way. Why should I do what everybody's doing? Why don't you let me do my thing the way I want to do it? I've got a style and that's what I intend to stick to.
Your style is not good.
That's enough. I've got rehearsals to attend. One more thing. Whoever wins this competition, you will marry. I'll just allow the spirit of dance and the spirit of music and the spirit of the people of this land to judge me. Not you, not Lolo, not anyone else.
What do you make it easy to free marry that girl where they talk about?
What are you saying? You don't want my look at these human being ancestors. See, stop it though. Is it because I brought myself down low to your level and we are talking marital talks? That is why you feel you can just come and insult me anyhow.
Don't be insult, I beg, don't be insult. That girl big pass you. Leave her.
Why can't I fit to marry her? I know my target. What are you saying? I want to marry that girl with all my heart. You don't want me to progress? Are you wink? You don't want me to progress?
Both of you.
Eh?
Both of you. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who you left at the post? What are you doing here?
We not peace. Stand here.
Who peace?
Peace.
No, just talk again.
Okay.
Madam, now whatever I drink, you come from this.
Shebi, wait, let me come on.
Don't go and call her. He has diabetes.
Drink, they come out.
Mom, you will not believe what that evil thing said to me. She suggested, and she had the effrontery to suggest that I see a psychotherapist.
That evil thing? She said what?
Where were your guards? Those ones.
Are they guards? Those are jokers, Mom. They are jokers. When I even ordered them to beat her up, they said, capital letter, no. What? They were admiring her there. I will kill them today. Macho! Macho! Is your name Macho?
Sorry, ma.
Mom, what happened was that I was very upset about what happened. So when I came back, I scolded him, and then he urinated on his body. He did what?
What is it? Excuse me. Point of correction. See, normally it does not piss like that though. It's just because of diabetes.
Shut up! What do you know about diabetes? Shut your mouth up! What do you know about diabetes?
Diabetes is a kind of...
Shut up! Both of you get up. I think I need to change your cards. You really do.
See, we can...
Get out! The competition is around the corner. Eh? Why don't you just manage them? Besides, if I fire them now, those girls may take undue advantage and begin to do something funny. Eh? Why don't you just manage them?
You're right, but these are not guards.
Beat her up! No, ma.
Isama, I called you here to know your final answer to my humble proposal. Firstly, I want to say thank you for honoring my invitation.
You're welcome.
So,
see again. I've done a whole lot of thinking, considering everything and everyone that is involved, you know, and I've come to a conclusion that...
That what? Baby, talk to me, that what?
Ikene, I won't give you the final answer until I hear from Anna or see her personally.
But I've called her these past days.
I need time to think about it. What if I accept a proposal and she comes back?
Heaven bear me witness what I'll do to her.
It's okay. Just relax. I'll call her and clarify my conscience, okay?
Hello, Julie, baby. Anyway, how's work? Enjoy. No enjoyment until I step up the throne with my handsome rich prince. Latest news. How? What's up? That's nonsense. That's the old news. Tell me latest news. Forget about those fools, I beg. Julie, they fuck up. I'm talking about stepping up to the royal level. And you're talking about... I beg, latest news. Tell me something else. What? You! I wish I was there to celebrate with you. She called me and told me that Ikene was asking her out. Anyway, I pity him. He really deserves this young man. She's a nice girl. As for me, I'm here trying to step up from my ordinary system of living into the royal system of living. You know now, latest news. No, but I wish them a happy married life. I wish they live happily. One girl, don't miss my coronation. But if you do, there's going to be serious trouble. Latest news, not to worry. I'm going to call you when it's time. Latest news.
I won't make a plan this place now. You know, sir, the big gate there. I won't make a from where I go take start now.
See, let it not be because I'm sending you for small tasting. You're insulting me, oh? Eh? What's the meaning of this? Go and toast this girl. In fact, protect her family name. You know, our great grandfather was a great toaster. Come on, move.
If I enter there, I wouldn't tell the girl.
In fact, tell something like, since you met her, you know, your hair has doing like this. It turn around. Toast this girl.
You want to turn?
Is it because I'll toast her?
Go toast her.
In fact, I'll toast her. She cried tears of love.
Olodo.
And you see.
This Olodo, they worry you. Get away, come from city. Let me go toast.
What is it? Are you not Amara's bodyguard?
Yes. No. No. See, it's not my fault though. I was just sitting down in my house. Then love just enter inside my head in the dream. It do me in my head. I didn't do love anything. I was on my own. It blew me and come to this direction like breeze.
Speak now. What? Talk.
I want to be your own bodyguard. This your eye is always doing me somehow. It does my head to be like this. Your eye that is like ping pong. It turns around. When it turns, my love turn. In my head turn. And I say, no, how can I get myself out of this trouble? I remember the prince outside.
The prince is here? Jesus, are you serious?
Wait, calm down. Don't misbehave. Wait now. Don't run.
I was told by a messenger you want to see me, my prince. Here I am, my love.
I beg, let me. Namasina brother, I beg. Namasina brother.
Run to me. Spread your hands for love.
You think what's the meaning of this, both of you? You think you can just come here and fool me? Don't you ever in your life, don't you? And you, don't you?
Shout on me.
Get out of here.
Women do it.
I'm looking for your time. Get out.
I love you. You know your afternoon.
You can't stop me. You can't stop me for you now. You want to slap you?
It's slap you. You don't get emotional charm. Me, I get emotional.
You slap me, Abi.
Enough is slap.
You slap me. You think this can slap me?
Come here. You don't get like digital prophet. Come. There we go.
Me, Abi. Bros.
Yes.
Hey.
You fit call me that again.
Bros.
Yes.
But what you going to wait for here now?
See, the reason why we are here, we are on emotional pilgrimage. We are on pilgrimage. So you have to wait. We have to wait here until we finish the pilgrimage. This thing. We are just setting trap for that girl. That my babe now. The one that I say my heart is doing me somehow. That
girl
slap
me?
Ping pong. The way that girl they roll her eye, now they pieces me.
Now she the way for me come out here. Me I don't want to slap her.
What kind of slap? Now tell me, didn't the slap sweet you? You're underrating slap of a fine girl. Didn't it sweet you?
You know, be say my senior, I for tell you something when no go live. He did the slap, did the beat your junior brother, I know if he act.
If it was me, if
Waiting with that. What's happened?
Attack. Calm down. We go discuss and finish.
Bros.
No, for what?
Bros, come.
Excuse me.
No, open your mouth. No talk.
No talk. But
what?
You know the C-size?
I know if you even look your face.
C-size.
Now the face. Where the look? Be this
You they look where?
Come. See. You have abundance of baby food. And that's why I want to marry you. So that my children will not lack what to eat. Even if I don't get money, they get food.
Bros.
Hey.
What you gonna happen now?
Come and cure this thing you have done to me. I'm finished. Huh?
You see, I was acting big. Why are you complaining that?
Why?
Up now.
Zamipoli.
Yes, mommy.
Can you please tell me what you are still doing here in Nigeria? I've asked you this severally, but you keep on telling me one story or the other.
Mommy,
Keep still, Zami. Listen to me. Allow me to finish. I know everything now.
You do?
Of course, yes, my madam, I do. And maybe you are forgetting something here, that I am your mother. Zami, I want the best for you. I should make sure too that you don't make any mistake. So Zami, you are among the participants for the forthcoming dance competition.
Mommy, please, come on. Don't tell me you came all the way from Abuja. Just
will you shut up and listen to me? I came all the way from Abuja to tell that your father is on his way back to Nigeria from France. And please, do not put me in a tight position. You know quite well that he's not aware of your continuous stay in Nigeria.
Mommy, don't bother about me and Daddy. I can always sort things out with him. I know what to tell him. I'll handle things when it comes to that. Mommy, please. I just need you to understand this with me. Just allow me handle this, my boy. I know exactly what I'm doing. Mommy, I'm not a child, okay? I mean, let me just do this. I'm here because I love him. I can't just sit down and allow him to just walk away like that.
I understand. I know, baby. But you can win without participating.
But Mommy, I am participating.
Baby, you must be out of your mind. You are what?
Mommy, look. Like I said, I know exactly what I'm doing. You know, just allow me. Just handle this my own way. If I win, fine. But if I don't, I'll still pack my things and go back to the States. But at least let me know that I put in an effort. I did something. I tried.
And if you win?
Then I'll stay back. Because I love him, Mommy. That's all I want. I want to be right where he is.
Oh yes, you wish. Now listen to me, Zami, and listen good. I'm going back to Abuja to await your father's return. I'm giving you today, just this night. Pack your things and take the next available flight to Abuja. I'll be there when you come out.
Mommy,
no, but me.
Mommy, this week, Jesus, no! It's not possible, Mommy. Oh, for Christ's sake, the competition is just this weekend. I've gone through everything. What is wrong with everybody? I have to do this.
Ma. Looking good.
Thank you. So, what are you doing? What's going on?
How's your weekend?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. You make yourself comfortable.
You want to join me this afternoon? I've called them up.
You do?
Yeah.
But she was very cool to me. She said you were leftover, and she doesn't eat leftover food.
You see what I mean? I feel like strangling that girl.
It's okay, it's okay. But that's not why I'm here, okay? It's okay.
I don't even know what I saw in her in the first place.
I have something to tell you.
I know it has something to do with my humble proposal.
Please, Bonnie, let's go inside.
Talk to me.
Let's go inside first. Okay? Let's go.
Let's go.
See you.
Let's go.
What?
Let's go.
Oh my God.
So, Nebo, that is why I'm here.
Ijele, to bribe me?
Now, no. Don't talk like that now. I just came to tell you that if you play your card well concerning this forthcoming dance competition and my daughter wins, I want to assure you that more will come from where this one came from.
I am highly disappointed in you and at your actions. How can you come here asking me to judge in favor of your daughter with this thing? Let me ask you. Have you ever seen me going around naked asking for food?
Okay. I think I understand what you mean. I understand that this is too small. Let me add this.
Enough of that. Ijele, I can agree with you that your daughter is a beauty to behold. Then, let her do her homework well. She'll be chosen as a queen. But to be bride? God forbid.
No. It's not bribe. It's just a token from my heart.
Please, take these things.
Okay. Don't worry. It's okay. I'll see you later.
Excuse me. Come back. Come. Take these things along with you.
No. They're just gifts.
I don't need it. Thanks.
See, just calm down.
For God's sake.
It's not bribing. It's just a fine favor in your sight. It's not bribing.
I'm okay. Please, can you go?
Maybe I came too direct. Don't worry, I know how to do it. Thank you. Oh. Thank you.
Mom, I'm wondering, who does she think she is? Just who does she think she is?
I don't know for her. But I think she needs something.
Really?
Yes. Everybody has a prize. It's just for you to discover what the prize is.
You're right, Mom. You're very correct.
Have you visited the prince lately?
No. Do you think I should?
Of course, yes. And you have to do it today. Today. And remember, don't ever be intimidated.
I won't be intimidated.
That's it. Let me go, please.
Amara, how are you?
I'm the way you left me.
Look, I know how you feel, alright? But you just have to understand with me, the royal responsibilities, they're tasking you.
How am I supposed to know that it's tasking, Your Majesty? How am I supposed to understand that royal responsibility is tasking when I am just a common aspirant to become royalty?
Wait. Do I hear sarcasm in your words?
Sarcasm?
Yes.
That is an understatement, Your Majesty. If I want to hear something more than sarcasm from my voice.
Enough! Now you insult me. Amara, I demand an explanation to your behavior right now.
And I demand that His Majesty marries me properly first before demanding submission and obedience from me. My goodness, how can you possibly act like you don't remember what transpired between us?
Oh my God, Amara, that was a mistake which you know. Why are you here?
I'm here to see you since you do not want to see me. Yes, you know that you and I were cool, very, very cool before your girlfriend came back, and then all of a sudden you give me cold shoulders, Your Majesty.
Enough!
I'm not leaving. I mean, you can't possibly dismiss me like that.
Amara, I said leave.
I am not leaving, Your Majesty.
Look, I don't want to be rude, alright? First you come here and you insult me, and then you bring my fiancé.
Please! Thank you very much, Your Majesty. But may I remind you, no filthy thing is permitted to be called His Majesty fiancé until after the competition. I'm sure you know that. So please be real with me.
Leave.
I will not move.
I said leave.
I came here to see you. I will not go until I finish. Oh, Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty. This is so interesting. The mother hen comes back and the chick is so excited. Interesting. May I remind you, Your Majesty, that same bed I shared with you is the same bed I am going to lie on our honeymoon, not her, because she is wasting her time. Oh! Does she know? Does she not share the bed with you? Of course, I will, Your Majesty. Of course I will. That girl. What exactly was she doing here?
Baby, she's nothing important, alright?
I asked the question, what is she doing here?
She came here and she told me you've been insulting her on a daily basis at the rehearsal arena.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Well, don't tell me you believe that.
Of course not. I have to ask you first.
Okay, so what was very funny? I saw her laughing.
That she came and okay, she actually told me that I've been daydreaming calling you my fiancé.
Well, I think she's right.
What did you just say? Wait, are you insinuating that we're no longer engaged?
Please just stop it, okay, baby? Just cut it out. For Christ's sake, you accepted to go by the traditions of your people. You should learn to condition your mind to accept whatever it is they decide. I mean, whoever they choose for you eventually. I have done that. I advise you start doing the same thing. Look, you know I love you. I love you. Okay? That's why I'm here. Otherwise, what am I doing here? I had to come down here to contend, fight with people like this, just to win you back. I'm doing it all because I love you. But I don't know, at the end of the day,